Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all these 3 boxes that I have purchased from Smitten. Some of the products are from the trial section and some of the products are from the shop section of Smitten. So without wasting any time, because I have a lot of products to share with you, so let's begin with the video. I'll begin by showing you the first box. This is how the box looks like. This is a small box, not very big. So I had ordered this box. It was a trial product box. So I have 2 products here. The first product is this pouch, very nice blue color, powder blue color pouch, and it is quite spacious. As you can see it here, a big size mobile phone can also fit in here. There's only one single compartment. Plus the brand name, that is Smitten, is also mentioned over here, as you can see it. So this is a nice pouch, and this was a complimentary free gift while I was purchasing the trial products during the weekend time. So they gave me a pouch free, so which is really great. And then the other product is this eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette is from the brand Wet n Wild, and as you can see, I haven't opened the seal as well. And this eyeshadow palette was in the trial section of Smitten, so I was really very happy. And this was for 6 trial points, so I was really very happy, and I thought of purchasing this with 6 trial points, and you get 8 eyeshadows, so which is really a great thing. Plus I'll insert a picture of the swatches of these eyeshadows. So the MRP of this eyeshadow palette is 499 rupees. However, for these 2 products, or I can say that only for this product, I had just paid 199 rupees, and I got this product complimentary. It was free, so I'm really very happy to get these 2 products in one. I'll quickly give you a swatch of all these shades. So there is a sponge tip applicator and also a brush. Let me show it to you. This is how the applicator looks like. Now let me show you the swatches of these eyeshadows. And the best thing about these eyeshadows are that everything is written over here. That is, the first shade is for brow, the shades for brow bone are mentioned, the shades for eyelids are mentioned, the shade for crease is mentioned, and the shade for definer is also mentioned. So there are 2 shades for each and everything, altogether 8 shades over here, so which is nice. As you can have a look at it. The first 2 are the brow bone shades. This is how it looks like. The next 2 shades that I'm picking up is for the eyelids. One is in the green shade and one is in a bit of orangish or bronze shade. And the pigmentation is really superb. As you can see it here, the pigmentation is fantastic. I really like the pigmentation. These are shimmery shades of eyeshadow, so you can definitely use them for some nice eyeshadow looks. These 2 shades are the shades for the crease. As you can see it here, the pigmentation is super amazing. I just love the pigmentation of these eyeshadows. And it's just a single swatch of these eyeshadows. These are superbly pigmented. And these 2 shades are the definer shades. Now moving further, I have the second box with me. In this is also a trial product box. So I purchased 5 products from the trial section, and I paid 199 rupees for them as well. So I'll show you the products. So the first product with me here is the Uni Pearl Essence Mask. This is a luxurious jewel brightening mask. So I haven't used this product, but this is a sheet mask to use. I'm looking forward to use this, and the MRP of this sheet mask is 120 rupees. And I guess this is a Korean product. So Korean skincare, as you all know, is really great. So I'm looking forward to try this product, and definitely I'll share my review of this with you all. So the second product here is also from the same brand, that is Kuni, and this is the Charcoal Essence Mask. So this is also a sheet mask, and this is for clean and pure skin, and this retails for MRP 120 rupees, and the manufacturing date is 2019. You can use this product by 2021. So this is also a sheet mask which I am looking forward to use. I don't know when I'll use, but definitely I will use this product. So the third product again is a sheet mask, but this is a kiwi sheet mask. The brand name is All Mask Carrier Cosmetics. This is a kiwi fruit sheet mask in kiwi variant, and this is for skin firming, as you can see it here, and the brand's website is also mentioned over here, which is really great. You can definitely go ahead and check it out, and the MRP of this product is 199 rupees, and all the steps of how to apply and use this product is mentioned on the back of the packaging. So I'm looking forward to try this as well, but I haven't tried. I first thought of sharing all these products with you all and then move ahead with the trial of these products. So the fourth product in here is the Votre multivitamin and rejuvenating whipped clay mask. So I purchased this product also from the trial section. Let me show you how it looks like. This is how the mask looks like. The MRP of this product is 478 rupees. This is a full size product, I guess. I haven't used this. My mother used this product and she was quite happy with it. It is an okayish product, not that great to use, but definitely when I'll use this twice or thrice, then only I can give my review about this product, and I'll definitely share my review of this. And the total quantity of this product is 30 grams, which is good. Directions of use and all are given here. And the last product in this box is something edible. As you can see it here, this is the Skittles Wild Berry Candy. These are the bite-sized fruit candy. These are citrusy and very fruity in flavor. These are really nice. Even the elders and the kids will love this candies. These came in a packaging of 5. Obviously I ate one, then only I'm telling you how the flavor and taste is. So in my previous video that I shared with you all about Smitten, I also mentioned that in trial section you get some amazing edible items as well. So in the trial section this was available, so I went ahead and tried out this product, actually the candy, and this is really nice, and this was for 1 trial point. So with this, all these 5 products, we come to an end of 2 boxes of trial products from Smitten. Now it is the time to show you the biggest box that I showed previously at the beginning of the video. So this is the box. This is quite huge. This is very large in size, as you can see it over here. And guess what? This is from a very renowned brand. I'll show you the brand name once. Let me open the outer packaging of this. This came in a very large cardboard packaging. Obviously I've thrown that away, but this product is from the Smitten's shop section. So when you purchase the trial products, as you all might have known by now, that you get 169 rupees as refund. So I used those 169 rupees to purchase this product, a full size product from Smitten. So let me be back by opening this packaging. This is the M Caffeine box where you get face scrub, body scrub and face wash. So this is a gift set pack which I was getting at a very affordable price, so I thought of going ahead and purchasing this box. So let me show you. This box is really good for gifting purpose, and you can gift it to your friends, your family, and you can gift it to yourself as well. This is the lock of this box. I love the lock and the packaging of this product. And these are the products that you get in here. Have a look at it. This is the box, how it looks like. So this is really nice. You get the face wash, the body scrub and the face scrub, plus a wooden spoon to take out the body scrub, and a towel and some brand details in a voucher like this. So this is a really nice box to gift it to anybody whom you love and you want to make them happy. You can definitely go ahead and give this box to anybody you love or to yourself as well. This is a nice gift. Plus these products can be used by both men and women, so thumbs up for this. Both men and women can use these products. So let me show you. And plus I forgot to tell you that, so with this box there was an offer going on while I was purchasing, that you'll be getting these 2 complimentary products. These are the sample size products which I'll be showing to you after I show you all the products that are there in the box. I'll show you all the products very closely, so that's why I've zoomed in. So this is the first product. This is the M Caffeine This is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. I haven't yet tried this product, to be honest, because I wanted to show it to you all as a haul. And this product is good for normal to oily skin, and the net quantity is 100 ml, which is really great. And all the product details are given here. M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand, which is also nice. And all the details are here. SLS free, vegan, not tested on animals, which is great, paraben free, which is also really great. So I'm looking forward to try out this product. What it has is coffee with white water lily. Okay, so now moving further, we have the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. This is a huge jar and this looks really great. This retails for 449 rupees and it was manufactured in 2019. This is a huge jar, as you can see it here. I'll show it to you without zooming in. And this will last you for a very long time. So if you are investing in this box around 1000 or 12 to 1300 rupees, then it is a value for money, because you are getting all these 3 products, and individually if you calculate the pricing of these products, they are really expensive products. So this face wash is for rupees 349, and as you can see that this body scrub is for 449, and the coffee face scrub is here with me right now, and this is also in the variant coffee with, okay, this is something different, coffee with vitamin E. So this scrub has vitamin E and coffee, and this is also good for normal to oily skin, and the net quantity is 100 grams, and all the things about the brand and what are the products and ingredients are mentioned here. And the MRP of this product is also 349 rupees, and it is made in India, so really a great job. And I would recommend that you go ahead and purchase the box and purchase from Smitten, because there you get a lot of discount and deals on these types of boxes. Lastly, I would like to show you this cute little pouch that I got as a complimentary gift on purchasing the full-size product of M Caffeine. So this is the M Caffeine complimentary gift pouch. This is a jute pouch, which is really great. And here I get in the first product is the M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. So this is in the variant cocoa butter with caramel. I'm sure the fragrance might be really very good. I'm not opening this product currently, but later on when I try out this product, I'll definitely give you a review. So this is a complimentary gift product, so MRP is not given here, but yeah, definitely I'm looking forward to try out this product. And the second thing is the M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. So this is also the body scrub. So these 2 products are really handy when you are traveling. You can definitely carry these 2 products with you while traveling or going anywhere for 1 or 2 days. These products will be really helpful. And as you can see, these are tiny little bottles which look really cute. So I'm looking forward to try out these products. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did so, please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and please do like the video as well. And until next video, bye bye and take care.